Fool. Ever wondered what happens when a city bus takes a wrong turn and ends up in the river? No, this isn't the start of a bad joke. It's the story of a real-life amphibious bus, and let me tell you, its journey was anything but smooth. Imagine this, a bright sunny day, tourists are excited, cameras are ready. They're about to experience the famous splashdown tour. Rare bus drives straight into the water and becomes a boat. Sounds cool, right? Well, on this particular day, things didn't exactly go as planned. The bus, packed with passengers, rolled down the ramp and into the river, just like it had done 1,000 times before. But then, something went wrong. Instead of gracefully floating, it started to glug. That's right, glug, glug, glug. The engines sputtered, the back end started dipping lower and lower, and the cheerful tour guide's voice suddenly got a little bit shaky. Panic hadn't set in yet, more like a collective "uh-oh." Water started seeping in through the back, turning the floor into a shallow puddle. Passengers sitting in the rear suddenly found their feet getting wet. You can just picture the scene. 1 minute you're taking a selfie. The next you're wondering if you need to use your backpack as a flotation device. The captain, who was probably having the worst day of his career, was on the radio, calling for help. Meanwhile, the bus boat was slowly, very slowly, sinking. It wasn't a dramatic, Titanic-style sinking, more like a sad slow-motion blooper. The back of the bus was almost completely underwater, with the front sticking up at a funny angle, like a giant yellow duck trying to do a handstand. Rescue boats swarmed the scene in no time. First responders, probably trying their best not to laugh at the ridiculous sight, helped every single passenger off the sinking vessel. Thankfully, everyone was safe, though a little damp and definitely with a wild story to tell. They didn't get the city tour they paid for, but they got a front row seat to a real-life adventure. So, what caused this aquatic disaster? An investigation later revealed that a crucial hatch wasn't properly secured. A simple mistake, a small oversight, but one that turned a tourist attraction into a temporary submarine. It just goes to show you, even with the coolest technology, sometimes things just go glug, glug, glug. The company had to suspend its tours for a while to double-check every single one of their amphibious vehicles. You can bet they made check the hatch the #1 item on their pre-trip checklist. From then on, the incident became a local legend. The bus that went glug became a running joke. And for the passengers on board that day, they walked away with soaked shoes, a full refund, and a story that's probably been told at every family dinner and party ever since. Fix. Not every day you get to say you were on a sinking bus. So next time you see one of those amphibious tour buses, give a little wave and hope their day goes a lot smoother than this one did. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more unbelievable stories.